Experiencing signal loss with your AT&T UVerse box can be frustrating. Common causes include coaxial cable issues, overheating, and network congestion. These immediate fixes have a 60 to 70% success rate. The three main causes are coaxial cable degradation, gateway or receiver overheating, and network congestion during peak hours. First, we'll power cycle your equipment. This involves unplugging both the UVerse receiver and the residential gateway. Unplug both devices for 30 seconds each. This clears temporary memory and resets the connection. Reconnect the gateway first and wait 2 minutes for it to fully initialize. Then reconnect the receiver and allow 5 minutes for complete boot up. Next, check all cable connections. Ensure coaxial cables are finger-tight but not over-tightened, as this can damage the connectors. Inspect for any bent, damaged, or corroded connectors. Also verify that HDMI connections are secure at both the TV and receiver ends. Finally, verify your signal strength through the Diagnostics menu. Navigate to Menu, then Help, Information, and Diagnostics. Look for a signal strength above 30 dBmV and a signal-to-noise ratio exceeding 35 dB. These values indicate a healthy signal. A strong signal like this example shows 35 dBmV, which is well above the minimum threshold and indicates good connectivity. These three immediate fixes, power cycling, cable inspection, and signal verification, successfully resolve 60 to 70% of UVerse signal issues. Try these steps first before calling for technical support. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your UVerse signal issues, these advanced solutions have an 80 to 90% success rate for persistent problems. Start with a complete factory reset of your residential gateway. This clears any corrupted settings that may be causing signal issues. After the reset, update the firmware to the latest version and reconfigure your network settings with proper quality of service priorities. Quality of service configuration ensures your TV signal gets priority over other network traffic. This prevents bandwidth competition from devices like computers, phones, or smart home equipment from affecting your viewing experience. Inspect your cable infrastructure thoroughly. Replace any coaxial cables that are more than 5 years old, as they degrade over time. Check all connectors for damage, corrosion, or moisture intrusion. Your signal strength should be above 25 decibels millivolts for reliable service. If your signal strength is below 25 decibels millivolts, install signal amplifiers. These are especially helpful for long cable runs or when the signal is split to multiple receivers throughout your home. Environmental factors significantly impact equipment performance. Ensure at least 6 inches of clearance around all equipment for proper ventilation. Keep the room temperature below 80 degrees Fahrenheit and protect equipment from direct sunlight and moisture. AT&T is transitioning UVerse customers to AT&T TV and DirecTV Stream services. UVerse hardware support will be phased out by 2027. If you continue experiencing persistent signal issues, consider upgrading to these newer streaming-based services for improved reliability and features.